Evening, folks. We're live at 6:45, running a mini for Brandon's Blue Snaggletooth or Millennium Falcon. 34 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Winner's choice between the Falcon and Blue Snags. Top 3 win spots in the main. Paste my list over 34 entries. There you have them. I'm going to roll the bones, see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 9. We're good to go. Good luck, everybody, as we get down to business. Ron takes round 1. Nate 2. Troy takes round 3. Ron 4. Mike takes round 5 at number 29. Nate 6 and 7. Don in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 8. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are Nate, Mike, and William. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification.
Hey, Daddy.
HFZOGT. There's our winners one more time. I'm done at 6:46 p.m. There you go. One last look. There they are. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.